Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to find a user ID in Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Telegram application. Now, once you land on this interface, tap on the search icon from the upper right corner, and on the search bar type in @userinfo_boot. Then tap on the first option on your interface. Now to get a user ID, you just have to forward a message to userinfo_boot. So for that, you will get a start option on your interface. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, userinfo_boot will provide you your user ID, and that's how you can see your user ID. Or if you want to know the user ID of other account, then you have to forward the message from other account to user_boot info. For that, head one step back and select that specific account that you would like to know the user ID. Open up the chat conversation and you can forward any of the messages from that account to user info. So forward your message to user info, and userinfo_boot will provide you their user ID. And that's how you find a user ID in Telegram. That's all for today's video. Hopefully this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.